boys, hopefully the audio's good. We're doing a little POV driving. Curvy roads in town. Sand back there popping. Ran over something. Too crazy, boys, because we got the Stancy wheels on, but we wanted to fuck around out here for a little bit. Only curvy roads in town. On the road everywhere, man. That's the second one that's popped out. This M20 is smoking like crazy. You can hear it's backfiring back there. I don't know the layout of this completely, but turning or what here? Come on. Come on so I don't have to follow you. You better not be going the way I'm going. It's funny how much this car actually smokes. guys, so a little different video this time. I just wanted to do like a POV video, and I invited Sam to do the video with me. So if you guys want to know more about Sam's car, I'll leave a video when we first went to go look at it, I think last summer. I'll leave a little card up here or whatever, and you guys can check that out if you guys are into that. Since they're both 80s cars, we wanted to test out, or he wanted to test out his suspension over there and you know, just cruise. So that's what we decided to do. So we got the car out here. See if we can, there we go. So it did pretty good. If you saw by the video, just some of the clips, like the driving clips, you might see like all the smoke the car has. The car is burning hella oil right now. Like I said, in plenty of videos, because the M20 is going out. So I still wanted to do this video because I thought it was like a cool idea, and I saw some other POV videos and people seem to like them. So I wanted to kind of incorporate my car and Sam's car in the video at the same time. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do the edit, but hopefully you guys like the edit. And like I said, if you guys want to know more about Sam's car, just go ahead and check the other video. We'll flip you around here and take you out and look at the car real quick. Also, the next episodes after these are going to be the install for the front FIBA and then the install for the rear, because I just got those painted yesterday. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. We got to do some cutting and polishing on the paint so it looks a little bit better. But let's flip you around here and go look at the car real quick, because I gotta get something out anyways. And hopefully you guys like this little POV driving video on the curvy roads, because like I said, it's the only curvy roads that are in town. And I wanted to do these videos so it's like more like a ASMR type of, you know, video or whatever. But let's go get what I need out of the car real quick, and we'll do a little walk around before we put the pieces on finally. So yeah, just need to grab something out of here, but the car did pretty good handling wise, besides it burning oil. It did pretty good everywhere, or every other aspect of driving it. So yeah, we did install the sports seat and the driver's seat for now, because I wanted something with a little bit more bolstering until I get them recovered over the winter time sometime. So yeah, I just wanted to put those in there just to help me drive wise. I think I need to get this case out. But yeah, even with the stancy wheels, it did pretty good driving. So just a little walk around. Got to do the front bumper. Of course, I repainted the front bumper already, which I don't know if the paint's gonna match, because that pink is like more, or the paint is like more pink than what it should be. So I'm not sure if it was not a good mix from the company or whatever, but we're gonna be throwing the front and rear valances on next. So that's gonna be the next thing on the channel. A little dark here. So yeah, thanks for watching the video as always. Let me know what you think about the edit, and check out the other videos for the front and rear, and then we might do a cinematic as well for this year. I'm planning on it, but might not have somebody to help me shoot. So yep. All right boys, check out the other videos. Peace.